different body. I like in the house they spoke about it. I cried and stuff, and watching it now, it's weird to me. I don't know why I would do that, but let me tell you, we didn't drink water also. We did not drink water on a Thursday, and we did not drink water on a Saturday. But like I said, it's like watching the whole thing from over, like things that didn't see. Then it's like, oh, did that really happen? Yes, it did. But not like, as for your body, guys, like, yo, that house is, like I said, that house is hectic. But I wish everybody the best. I'm missing my Didi girl, I'm missing Liema, I'm missing Neliswa. I really miss them, but I'm sure we'll see each other soon. I mean, now everybody's just, when are you coming to Booth? Did I just see a comment that says, when are you coming to Booth? Let me try and do this thing again. I'm missing them. Check requirements. I'm trying to check. What do I do now? I don't get I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Let me just stop what I'm doing. Yeah, so anyway, I'm missing them, but I'm loving. Yes, you my brother. So I can't drink on my life.
No, you can't.
Not even at school drink.
You must like pull away and
would you guys mind if I did that? Because I mean, I'm such a loser in here. I'm such a I'm drinking cool drink. I'm such a loser in people.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw a good question. Which account are you supposed to follow? So like I said, I'm on social. Shout out to people that created accounts for me. I do. There's another Facebook, TikTok account that people are what's naming on, following me on, which has like darker more than this, but see if I can catch another question, because it's a question. Yeah. Let me give it to you guys. The sun will come out tomorrow, big from tight. Oh, there'll be tomorrow, tomorrow, you're only a day away. Oh, the sun will come out tomorrow, better time. Oh, yes, we're body. But I heard it was a comic song in the house. I heard every time I sang that song it rhymed. It's my happy song. If you listen to the words, it's a song. So that's the comment that I got. Is it my network that's shitty? That dog in the window, the one with the wary tail. How much is that dog in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. Woof woof for your body. Okay, is it my network? Your network? Okay, wait. I'm on a Wi-Fi here, but I'll be right back. Okay, I'll catch you after the break. I'm saying my network is poor. Oh yeah, so. I was busy. Where? Yeah, network. Where? I want millions of people with my character. Thank you so much. That's very touching. I'm trying to. Can we have that? Oh, you want the British accent? So, anyway, like I said, Bravo B and we're okay, and then I do miss Liema and Didi a lot, right? And you know. Ever since we've been out of the house, I spoke to Didi one time, and I spoke to Liema actually today. A ring light, that would be much appreciated. I don't have a ring light. I honestly don't. Accent you, network, you guys. He. Hey. Which one is this one? This is a question. It is okay now. Thank you, darling. Because I see the bars of my network bar, right? On top of the right hand corner of my phone. It's okay. So, yeah. But then it's giving us Crystal. Please move. Where must I move to when my network is like on point? Or must I leave the live? Okay, let's not speak about network. When you come into KZN, I caught that comment. I don't know. Do you guys want me to come to KZN? I know Bravo does. Ooh. But I don't want to, like, most of all, I don't want to distract him, man. He's doing things. He's like, you know, I don't want to distract him from his things. End of the day, we are very focused on ourselves, but at the same time, yeah, but when I say on ourselves, I mean us. We are very focused on us, but we are focused on ourselves as well, you know. This is a huge opportunity for the both of us. Wipe camera. Hi guys, am I then? Hey, hi. Okay, let me explain. Someone said I must wipe the camera. Guys, I'm not rich. I don't have a camera like a phone that gives you know. So excuse you, excuse me for having a bad. Give them shout out. Give them. I'm reading wrong things, nah. But anyway, Trixie, I'm not what? I missed that comment. Did I reply to VW to not yet, I think. I don't know. I did not, darling. Ask me something about the house. Hi girl, hi Janelle. Hi Trixie, don't stress, thank you. The booth, when am I getting back? Guys, I'm not in Joburg. Would love to just pop up, you know, because we're family and that's home. But definitely you guys will see me pop up. You'll see me. Where is Bravo? You'll see me when I pop up there. There'll be a thing that comes out, you know. And I'm so sorry guys. First of all, I want to say sorry about it's lifting, yeah? And then also my no makeup. But I thought I'm not gonna blow myself up for the live because you guys have seen me at my worst, né? Can I get an invitation when I pop up? I think you should DM me for that one, darling, because I didn't really quite catch you. Trixie freeze. And I almost did freeze. Yeah. And I almost did freeze. Yes, more. Bravo. You know what, this adding thing, I don't know how to add people. I don't know how to do it. Trixie, can I scroll? I saw something that was... Trixie, please be serious, my love. Let's speak about positive things. Which brands? And you know what, I caught a very serious question. I just go now scroll as to, let me see if I can catch that comment again. Be serious, tell us what brands you want. I don't know who sent it to me now, but it's gone. I'm trying to get it, but to be honest with you, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm willing to work. I'm willing to put in the effort. It's just a matter of, I don't know who reaches out, I guess. I don't know. But at the end of the day, there's so many. I don't know if it would be good to mention them, but I'm ready to work. I'm here to rest. Yes, I'm here to see my family. I haven't seen them in a long time, but I'm willing to put in the work, guys. You will know what to do in no time. Thank you so much for that. And my laughter, I saw that comment also. Yo, guys, die hare maak moeg en dit is mense warm. Can I like do something quickly? Sorry. Brands will come. Love pimple. Yes, he's a love pimple. Guys, I miss my Bravo. I do, guys. And I see a lot of people saying I built a relationship brick by brick. I did. Because I liked what I saw. And I just miss him. I do miss him. Guys, Trixie, you know what, ne? This is going too fast. Me and King Wanda's laugh, wow. Let me translate from above. I'm on a, as he would say, I'm switched on for your body. Please sing for the last time. You again, I must talk Afrikaans. Please sing for the last time. Tomorrow's song. Oh, I don't mpho. Let me sing tomorrow. Because hopefully the sun will come out. It just started raining also. Wait! It started. Guys, I was in the pool today. I had my caution. Oh, I heard. Oh, I still have the same caution. Yes! It's mine! That Liema gifted to me. Like, you know, I didn't come home to shopping for clothes and stuff. Ek is met die selle suitcases hier na my huis toe en ek nagaan, like, ja, die mense is boring, ne? Like, it's a costume. I don't have 10 costumes. But anyway, yeah, it started raining, guys, and I sang the Tomorrow song. They said most in the house, every time I sing the song it rains. It started raining, like it started raining here. It's raining now. But let me give you, add your brother to help you. No, I'm going to, I'm actually leaving the live now, but anyway, the sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Oh, tomorrow, I love ya. Tomorrow, you're only a day away. Oh, the sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Oh, tomorrow, I love ya. Tomorrow, you're only a day away. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I hope I wasn't boring. No. Where? Who's saying where? The voice. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining me on my live today. I was gonna keep it short and sweet, but it's still sweet, buddy. And yeah, show me if you know me. If you don't know me, you ain't showing me. It's Trixie for your body, baby. I don't even know how to end the live. Can you hear the clue? Oh, I know where. Where? It's a core.